Welcome to the webinar. I'm Beatrice Lam, the Field Marketing Manager for Barracuda MSP APAC. On the other line, we've got Luke Smith. He is our Regional Account Director, and he'll be taking you through the presentation today. Hi, Luke.
Morning, Beatrice. Morning, all.
Yep. So before we start, just a couple of housekeeping. If you have any questions, please type them into the question panel, and we'll cover them at the very end. We'll keep today's session pretty nice and short. So look, we'll give you guys a quick overview of the Barracuda Content Shield offering and explain a little bit to you guys how MSP can use it to demonstrate value that you guys deliver. Cool, I'll pass it to you now, Luke.
Thank you. So welcome all. As we suggested today, we'll be going through an overview of Content Shield, and we'll also be talking about how to use it to demonstrate some value delivered by the MSP to your customers. So just to get the process underway, when we talk about Content Shield, this fits within the network security layer of our layered security approach. So as you all are aware, whether your clients require the full stack of services or you just wish to purchase the components you require to complete the solution, we have products that will fit your clients' needs and offer them the security posture that they require. So what is Content Shield? As we're aware, the modern workforce is becoming more mobile. Often businesses have remote workers and road warriors with laptops who can connect anytime at any place. Unsurprisingly, this poses security challenges for MSPs tasked with protecting customers who use these devices. Sure, as an MSP, you can apply an antivirus and keep the device up to date with security patches through your RMM tools to enhance their security, but you're still unable to protect these devices from visiting, disreputable websites that have a bad reputation or have embedded malicious URLs. Barracuda Content Shield delivers a powerful web and file threat protection solution along with content filtering for Barracuda customers. We offer both a multi-tenant solution for MSPs and a single tenant solution for non-MSPs are available. It's powered by Barracuda's extensive threat intelligence network. Barracuda Content Shield protects users from malicious sites and inappropriate content, helping to keep your customers' businesses safer and their employees more productive. We also provide you with reporting that provides visibility into web traffic both on and off the networks. We also have these tools available to be able to supply these reports in CVS format or PDF, so you can white label them and supply them to the customers if need be. With more than 90 URL categories, Content Shield does more than protect your customers from malicious website. It also ensures that you're protecting their employees from accessing sites that would normally violate companies' policies, norms, and standards. With agentless DNS protection for all devices that sit behind your router or firewall, which is critical at the moment as IoT devices are becoming more common in today's workplace. The robust DNS filtering provides protection from online threats such as viruses, malware, ransomware, and phishing attacks, and also botnets by blocking endpoint communication to websites that host malicious content. You can enforce this policy at a DNS level, meaning that you can block access to sites before a connection is even made, preventing dangerous communication between your endpoint and the website. We also offer real-time alerts about malicious detections as part of the solution, as well as white label reports on threats and destinations that have been blocked. We can even supply white label reports on the former and also on domains most visited, with these available in either PDF or CVS format for you to edit and supply to your customers. The great thing about the product is it can be set up in less than a minute with no software or hardware to install. We have two subscriptions that are available. So we have Barracuda Content Shield and Barracuda Content Shield Plus. Both of them are compared in this table. Some of the key features of Barracuda Content Shield are the setup is quick and easy, taking less than a minute. There is no hardware or software to install. We offer agentless DNS protection for all devices that sit behind your customer's router or firewall, which is critical as IoT devices become more common in today's workplaces. We offer web security and content filtering configured and managed in the cloud. We can block malicious sites before connection is established on all devices in the network, which helps enforce the customer's policies by restricting inappropriate web browsing or visiting sites with bad actors. We also offer customizable protection levels and templates that can be used or reused within the organization. And obviously this is powered by Barracuda's real-time threat intelligence network. When we break out into Content Shield Plus, we do have some extra features that come from this. So some of those extra features are such as you can either choose from a preset filtering policy or create a customizable policy for a particular user or group. You can actually install Barracuda Content Shield Suite on endpoint machines for an additional layer of malware protection. Basically what this does is it provides local risk analysis and malware protection on Windows machines by checking against known malware signatures. It provides content protection for all web traffic on Windows and Mac machines, and malware protection scanning policies that can be configured in the web interface and sync with the Windows machines for you. Optionally, you can synchronize your Active Directory users with Barracuda Content Shield for the purpose of applying filtering policies across the whole group. We also do have quarantine detected threats on Windows machines, which we can do later analysis on, and the ability to adjust the precedence of the filtering policies. As part of the MSP program, to ensure customers can create a managed service offering that addresses these risks, we have integrated managed workplace remote monitor. We have integrated with our managed workplace Barracuda Content Shield, which then offers you a single pane of glass management experience. These features were released last December. So I guess quickly, we'll just get to questions and answers. We just wanted to quickly cover off on what Content Shield can do. So does anybody have any questions for us?
Great, thank you, Luke. Yep, so we've got a couple coming in already. So you guys, if you have any questions, please take a minute and type it into the question now and we'll go over them. So are you ready? We've got the first question. So the first question is from James. Can you use Content Shield standalone or does it have to be through Managed Workplace?
Brilliant feature. Content Shield can be used standalone. It can also be integrated with our RMM tool, Managed Workplace. So we give you both options there, depending upon how you want to set it up and how you deploy it amongst your customer base.
Cool, thank you. And the next question is from Gary. What is the additional cost on top of Managed Workplace?
Rightio, Barracuda Content Shield starts at $3.48 per month, along with Barracuda Content Shield Plus at $5.38 per month per user.
Cool, great. And let me see. Yep, so the next question is from Brandon. Do you guys offer any NFL for Barracuda Content Shield?
If any of you are interested in doing a proof of concept to see if this is a suitable product for your customers, we are more than happy to supply some NFL licensing for you to use internally to complete that project. Right. All you need to do is reach out to me, drop me an email, give me a call, let me know about your requirements. We'll get the agreement signed and sent out, and then we'll get the copies of that supplied so you can actually complete your proof of concept to ensure that the product will be suitable for your clients. Yeah, thank you. Yep, I think that's all the questions we have today. And guys, don't forget, we have part 2 is on March 24th. We have Matt Caffrey to do a product walkthrough and answer any technical questions you may have. Just to take away from that, we do have some sites here that I'd be very interested for you guys to take a snapshot of. So don't forget about these sites. There's a lot of tools, a lot of information available on them, whether you're whether you're already an MSP or on your journey to becoming an MSP, there's quite a lot there you can see. So I'd definitely recommend you checking out the Barracuda MSP resources page. So that page there covers off a lot of information, as well as a lot of resources on helping you as an MSP to deliver better information via LinkedIn. So we include a lot of information about sales, marketing, and we also do focus a bit on actually providing you with information on how to grow your brand online. We obviously as well do have the Barracuda Security Insight page. This is where our Barracuda Threat Network reports back through. This page is live. You can see the various amount of threats that are passing by our products every day. And it'll also highlight the amount of attacks that we've seen in the last 24 hours. So it's a really interesting page to show customers because as you can see from that little screenshot there, there's a total on that screenshot of 499,000 threats and 480,000 of those threats were delivered via email. And then We also do have Smarter MSP, great industry page, lots of information, lots of relevant information about how to grow your MSP business. We do get experts on there to actually present and provide information. Definitely worth investing more, especially if you're on the early journey to becoming an MSP.
Great, thank you, Luke. We've got 2 more questions just coming, so let's answer them now. Right, let me put this up. So I think this partner is already using Content Shield, and he's asking, are there any plans for to combine the both planes so that they can use the products together?
We are actually looking into the products. You can actually combine, I believe, both products together, but Zubair, I'll follow this up with you after if you like.
Yeah, great. And we've got the last question from Thomas. IoT production was mentioned a few times. Can Content Shield provide visibility to scatter protocols?
That is a question I'm going to have to get my sales engineer to answer, Thomas. I will get that followed up for you after this call and get the information through to you as quickly as possible.
Great, thank you, Luke. Cool, I think that's it, guys. And also a friendly reminder that if you attend the session on March 24th, we'll send you a Boost Juice voucher to give your immune system a boost. Great, with that, thank you so much, Luke, and thank you guys for jumping on to the webinar, and have a great weekend. We'll see you in 2 weeks' time. Cheers.